seem to have some problem with the net connection. So instead of giving you a demo of our platform, I'll start with the presentation part first. Our company is NAV Information Systems, founded by Padmanabh Dabke, who is BTech graduate from IIT Bombay, then completed his PhD from Stanford University, then worked for Lockheed Martin Rotors before starting out with NAV Information Systems. While working at Lockheed Martin, he was working on a project which did threading of beans, Java beans, and from that the product name became string beans, and the technology which was used in that product is being used in our platform. So the name kind of stick to string beans name, which is not very relevant for a portal platform, but that's how our developer community knows it. So let me just give you a background about portal platform and the market. You just saw the Vyas platform, which is used for banking, the previous presentation. They are using a web-based interface, and they mentioned that they are using a Web 2.0 kind of technology to deliver their product. So generally, getting to that level, getting to a level where you can deliver a good product on a web-based platform would normally take time of about 2 months or 3 months. What we are trying to do with string beans is that this development product time, we want to reduce it to 2 days. So if you want to start with a portal project, what you can do is get a string beans platform installed, which is very easy to install. It installs on a standard Tomcat or WebLogic server, and then with WYSIWYG editing and several features, wizard-like features, you can start building your platform. You can start building your portal. It's very easy. In fact, what we are trying to do in coming days is that even the business manager guys who don't have much technical knowledge, they can use our platform to build portals. So, as I said about the previous presentation, many people want to do softwares and deliver software as a service using a web-based interface, which is necessarily a portal. So, a lot of software work is now being shifted to on a web-based platform. So the web-based platform market is growing, and because of Web 2.0, a lot of people who are not very technically oriented are able to contribute to the content. Then during the same time, there has been a rise in open source software. That's mainly because the open source software is low in cost, and there are several other advantages, as in you have a user community, you have a developer community who constantly contributes to the open source software. So generally, the trend is that the open source software is getting matured, and even the enterprise users are looking forward for open source software. And considering this opportunity, several big companies such as IBM WebSphere, WebLogic, all of them have entered into the portal product business, portal platform business. They have products such as WebSphere portal, WebLogic portal, and recent study by B Systems, which are the makers of WebLogic, suggests that by 2010, there will be a market of 10 billion for portal licensing products. So that is the kind of market we are looking for. Whenever there is change in technology, as you know, there are opportunities created for new people. And in our case, the advantage that we have over the big guys is that we are able to innovate. Being a small company, we are able to innovate. We are able to get new things in our product, whereas the big companies are slow in adopting new trends. So that is our advantage. Second advantage that we have is that our product is very low cost but equally competitive. Then it is open source, so that a developer can customize it to the core. So that is our advantage over the big players, and certainly this is giving us an opportunity to enter in this market. So these are the key points which help SwingBeans to go ahead. Our vision is to make portal creation as easy as creating a presentation, PowerPoint presentation, where you can use drag and drop to add content, you can edit content on the portal itself. So there are several open source portal platforms as well, but how we are differentiated against them is that we have this big portal editing software. For example, if you want to build a new portal, all you need to do is say type an address. I'll just give you a demonstration of that. For example, you want to build a portal whose name is, say, My New Portal. So all you need to do is that you are logged in and then you type here My New. So, okay. This is the problem for not having internet connection. No, it won't
Tools and
work.
disable direct connection. I will solve the issue. Go to tools, internet connections, disable.
No, it won't work if I cancel, if I not cancel it. Okay, so a new portal does not exist. So it is the software asks me whether you want to create a new portal. So I say create p-site. So you have a default layout page. You can drag and drop content in this area. You don't need to be a very techy guy to do this. You can even edit the content right away. Publish it on the site. Now you can see it has changed. Who was that? Yeah? Okay. Just 1 minute. I'll show you the desktop mode of it. This is something which differentiates us from other players. And then the platform automatically converts a site which is designed for a normal IE or Firefox interface into a mobile interface. So if something is designed in HTML and JSP, the platform will automatically convert it into WML if a mobile device is accessing it.